What is going on, guys? In today's episode, I'm going to be taking you through a quick 15 to 20 minute back building pull-up workout, and we're starting right now. That never gets any easier. Never ever. So we're at 7 o'clock. Been up since 5 this morning doing a bit of work just to get ahead of the day. Susan and her friend Claire were here at 6 till 7, so it's my shift doing a quick workout because I don't have a lot of time. I'm very busy with work just now, so I need to be in and out very quickly. They have left me some pictures on the whiteboard. I think that's me, and maybe that's the same person. 28 kilogram kettlebell, butterfly, pull up, and I love heart. I wonder if that's my workout. It's like Dave Castro's clues, isn't it? So although they were kind enough to leave some cryptic, strange butterfly squat type workout with a kettlebell in there, I'm not quite sure what that means, but I am going to be doing my own workout. Today, I'm just going to be focusing on building some strength through the back. I'm going to be doing wide grip pull-ups, and the format and rep scheme that I'm going to be following is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to be doing that unbroken every single round. And that's all I'm going to do today. Been looking at the stats of the new CrossFit CEO. He's a bit of a beast. He's a strong guy, and pretty fast with a 240 front time. That's good. That's really good. I missed that guy. That is pretty scary and freaky, if I'm totally honest. I've set a rule during this COVID period that when it comes to training, sometimes motivation can slip, sometimes you're busy with work, sometimes family commitments take over. So a rule that I've set in place is that never skip 2 days of training, whether that is in the house and doing body weight training, whether that's going for a run, if you've got a garage gym, brilliant, but never miss more than 2 days training. So at worst, you're training every other day. So that's the format that I'm following in terms of training, is that I'll try and go for 5 days a week with 2 days off. But if there's a day that I need to skip, I'll skip that day, but I will definitely not skip day 2. If that means just coming in here and doing some pull-ups, if that means just going for a quick 5K run, or even just a mile run or something like that, or just doing some form of physical activity where you kind of engaged in what you're doing from a physical activity perspective, then that's enough. So today it's just the pull-ups, and then I'm going to be done. I might come back in later and do a bit of cardio, a bit of conditioning, sort of between an 8 to 12 minute AMRAP or something like that, but we'll just assess the day, and I'm not going to give myself such a hard time if I don't get in and do that, because I've done something, I've ticked that box. The most amazing thing has happened. Obviously, we had the news that ROZA was taking over CrossFit and buying CrossFit outright. So that deal should be completed by next month. Obviously, I'm quite excited about that. I think it's a really good thing that's happening with CrossFit and the brand, and be able to move it forward. So he's obviously come out with some stuff on Instagram and social media. I liked it and commented on it. And the first thing that happened, he liked it. Now that's enough. So I thought I'd go one step further. So when Dave Castro put out the statement, he put his email address on this. I thought, well, why not send him a congratulations and say, look, good luck in your new role. And the guy was kind enough to come back to me. He actually came back to me. Thank you so much. I'll read it to you. Thank you so much for reaching out, Matthew. I truly appreciate your support. The future is bright. I like this guy. This guy's good. He's very good. Guys, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that is supporting the channel, and for all of you guys that have hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. It really does help the channel grow if you can share it, like it, and all that sort of good stuff. I want to do as many videos as I possibly can, and your support is hugely appreciated. So if you can do me a massive favor, hit that subscribe button. Get your family and friends to hit that subscribe button as well. Let's grow this channel together. I want to put out as much content as possible. The more subscribers I get, the more content I can put out. Your help is hugely appreciated, so thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.